Hey guys, hearty welcome to our YouTube channel English Hub by Lakshmi. Today I would like to share other ways to say instead of that like a word very bad, using very bad. Other ways to say very bad. Like getting bored using this word very bad, very bad. That's why I would like to share about some new words. First one, terrible. Okay, first one, terrible. For instance, I had a terrible day. I had a terrible day. It's like I have a bad day, very bad day. Next one, horrible. Horrible means, for instance, Sony did a horrible job on her essay. Like very bad job on her essay. Third one, awful. Awful means present situation or like an awful condition. Present situation, an awful condition. It's a very bad condition. Fourth one, horrendous. Horrendous means trust me. You don't want me to sing. My voice is horrendous. It's very bad. Whenever you heard that voice it's very bad, please don't ask me. Trust me. My voice is very my voice is horrendous. Fifth one, abysmal. Abysmal means the quality of her work is abysmal. It's very bad. The quality of her work is very bad. Or it's not fruitful work. It's not a productive work. Fifth one, lousy. I was in a lousy mode, like a very bad mode. Didn't feel like playing to the game. Okay, I was in a bad mode, like a lousy mode, very bad mode, and didn't feel like playing to the game. Seventh one, appalling. Appalling means, for instance, the cat suffered appalling injuries during the attack. Okay, like if the cat suffered, like appalling means very badly. That cat suffered like very badly, like injuries during the attack. Next one, atrocious. Atrocious means, like for instance, the weather has been atrocious. It's a very bad, weather. I haven't seen sun in weeks. From weeks onwards, like the sun hadn't coming. Because of that, the weather has been atrocious. Atrocious means very bad. Then ninth one, dreadful. Dreadful means for instance, cancer is a dreadful disease. Cancer is a dreadful disease. Awkward, feeling awful disease. God awful disease. Like very bad, dangerous disease. Horrible disease. 10th one, dire. D-I-R-E, dire. For instance, misuse of drugs can have dire consequences. Sometimes we will use more drugs. Yeah, for that that drugs we can very bad. We will get very bad consequences. Some problems. 11th one, gruesome. Gruesome means the most gruesome murder. Like very bad, feeling awkward, like terror, horror, terrible murder. 12th one, disasters. For instance, the storm was disastrous. Okay, it caused millions of dollars in damages. Whatever that storm, that is very bad, like a feeling or awkward. It caused millions of dollars in damages. That storm damages a lot, like disastrous way, in a disastrous way. 13 catastrophic. For instance, this is an environmental catastrophe going on around us. Okay, nowadays we are we are all suffering from virus. This virus is going catastrophe. It's a very bad these are a natural and environmental thing going around us. 14 loathsome. Loathsome means for instance, there is a loathsome smell of rotting flesh in the room. Sometimes whatever we have in at our home, fruits or vegetables, something that loathsome, where that from that fruits or vegetables we will get a very bad smell. That time we will use loathsome smell is coming from our from that vegetables or from that fruits. Okay, loathsome of rotting flesh in the room. 15th one, abhorrent. For instance, discrimination of any sort is abhorrent to a civilized society. Whatever that not developed that society, yeah, even though like nowadays somewhat like nowadays also like discrimination, like male and female discrimination is a lot of things are there. Then discrimination is also like it's not good, no abhorrent, like so it's very bad to a civilized society. Like these words, like heinous and repulsive, wild, tragic, god awful, horrid, shameful, like this. A lot of words are there using like instead of that using very bad. Okay, other ways to say use very bad. Yeah, these are the 15 words. A lot of you like words are there. Okay, like these are the 15 words most useful, and please you tell me which one you do like, which word do you like most. Okay, yeah. These are the 15 other ways to say like very bad. I know getting using like this is the usage also like in sentences in day-to-day conversation we use these like some words. Other ways to say are instead of that very bad. Instead of that word very bad. Then if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and like don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and hit the bell button for more updates. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe. Good luck to all. Take care of you all. Okay, let's catch up very soon. Okay, signing off today. Bye bye. Take care.